In this example, we're now going to smaller numbers. 4 is obviously smaller than 8. There are only two ways that you can get smaller answers: subtract or divide. In this case, we're going to be dividing. What would I have to divide 8 by in order to get a 4? 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Use that again for your 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. You now have equivalent fractions. How did I get from 10 to 5? What did I have to divide 10 by in order to make it a 5? 2 again. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. How about 18 to 6? 18 divided by what number gives us 6? 3 divides into 18 6 times. 3 divides into itself once. Those are equivalent fractions, this time getting smaller. And we do that through division. Here are a few more examples. Again, we're getting smaller. 15 to 5 is in a small direction, so we know we're going to be dividing. What would we divide 15 by in order to get a 5? 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 21 to 3. So we're getting smaller, so we know this is division. What could you divide 21 by in order to get a 3? Or if you'd rather think of it the other way, what times 3 is 21? 7. So we're going to divide both of these by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 14 divided by 7 is 2. We're getting smaller. It's a division problem. To get if the number doesn't pop into your head as to what do you divide 30 by in order to get 10, you could think of it as the reverse of division, which is multiplication, just to find your answer. What times 10 is 30? 3. So we're going to divide by 3. Did you follow my logic? 3 divides into 30 10 times. 3 divides into 6 twice. This time, I've left out the denominator, but it's the same thing. It's the same strategy. What did I do to 6 to make it a 3? It's going in the smaller direction, so we know we're going to divide by something. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we're going to use it again here. 12 divided by 2 is 6. We're going from 18 to 2. That's in a smaller direction. This is a division problem. But divided by what? What could you divide 18 by in order to get a 2? If that's not coming quickly to you, you can think of it in the other order. What times 2 gives 18? Maybe that would make it faster. 9. We're going to divide by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 45 divided by 9 is 5. And our last one, again, we're going into a smaller number. 1 is smaller than 4, so it's a division problem. But divided by what? The only way we can get a 1 with a 4 is divided by itself. So 4 divided by 4 gives 1. And we're going to use it again. 24 divided by 4 is 6. examples of equivalent fractions that are getting smaller. We're starting out with bigger numbers and making them smaller. With multiplication, we made them larger. But the numerals were larger, but the piece was equivalent. They were equal to each other.